Welcome to the Treasury Update Podcast, Coffee Break Sessions, presented by Strategic Treasurer. The show where we cover foundational topics and core Treasury issues in about the same amount of time it takes you to drink your cup of coffee. I'll be your host, Jonathan, Media Production Specialist here at Strategic Treasurer, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. We are back with another episode of the Coffee Break Sessions, again here with Christin Cifaldi. Welcome back.
Thanks, John. It's great to be back.
So today, could you go into what does a financial data scientist do?
Of course. So the primary focus of a financial data scientist is to analyze financial data to help support decision-making, improve operational efficiency, and identify opportunities for growth within a corporation's finance organization. They may be embedded directly into an accounting or treasury department, or they may be working more on the investment side of the house. Roles for these folks include risk analysis, fraud detection, and portfolio optimization.
Okay, and what types of data do financial data scientists work with?
Financial data scientists work with a variety of data, including stock prices, transaction records. They're looking for market trends. They may be analyzing customer demographics, and they'd also look at broad economic indicators. Their data often includes both structured data sets like spreadsheets and unstructured data like news articles or social media sentiment.
And how do financial data scientists use machine learning in finance?
Machine learning helps identify patterns and make predictions. Models can help these scientists predict stock price movements. They can help detect fraudulent transactions, and they can even assess credit risk by looking at historical trends. By automating these tasks, financial data scientists can process vast amounts of data more efficiently, helping your organization come to conclusions quickly and to help implement process improvements.
Is generative AI used at all, or is it more they stick to machine learning?
I think as we move towards an AI future, you're going to see people moving off of machine learning and going more towards generative AI models, especially as we see a reduction in hallucinations.
Once things start to actually look more accurate?
Yes.
Okay. And what skills are important for a financial data scientist?
At this point in time, the key skills are proficiency in programming languages such as Python, R, Java, knowledge of machine learning algorithms. I would say at least a rudimentary understanding of where we're going with AI and a curiosity about that so they could learn and move in that direction. Key understanding of financial markets, and then strong analytical capabilities, the ability to use Excel and other tools such as Oracle or SAP to extract data and create reports for your organization. Communication skills are also crucial for being able to explain complex findings to non-technical stakeholders and to develop presentations for senior management that are clear and easy to understand. I would also say we want to try and find people who are able to use our business intelligence tools to create key performance indicators. These are tools such as Tableau, Click, Power BI.
Okay. We just did a podcast with Mike Richards, and he was talking about how a lot of companies are seeing the importance in analysts about the knowledge of these coding programs like Python. So that's interesting. Do you have any final thoughts?
Yeah, if you are considering a career as a financial data scientist or a move into it, definitely upskill by starting to learn those key skills in those programming languages. SQL is also another one that's great for folks to use, especially if they're looking to get into using BI tools. And for organizations that don't have financial data scientists employed, definitely look out because that's a growing area of employment and you're going to want that expertise on your team if you have been collecting large data sets.
Well, thank you. And to our listeners, remember to tune back every first and third Thursday of the month for another episode of the Coffee Break Sessions.
This podcast is provided for informational purposes only, and statements made by Strategic Treasurer LLC on this podcast are not intended as legal, business, consulting, or tax advice. For more information, visit and bookmark strategictreasurer.com.